Hi everyone, this is teacher Sandra. So in this video, we'll be doing the division model. So we'll be dealing with like units, okay? So let's read the question. Bob has $24. Kelly has 4 times as much money as Bob. How much more money has Kelly than Bob? Okay, so in the first place, looking at this question, how would I know that I need to draw like the units kind of model? We see 4 times. Okay, so 4 times tells us that Kelly has 4 units. And if Kelly has 4 units, Bob will have 1 unit. Okay, so to me, after when I read Kelly has 4 times as much money as Bob, this is the kind of model I draw. Kelly 4, Bob 1. Okay, now let's look at the other clues. They tell us that Bob has $24. So Bob has $24, so let me indicate that 24 into the model where Bob is, right? So Bob has $24. Next, if 1 unit over there for Bob is $24, you notice that we started drawing all equal units, right? We said Kelly is 4 units and Bob is 1 unit. So if Bob is 24, which means the rest of the units will be 24 as well, because they are all equal units. Okay? Now the question wants us to find how much more money has Kelly than Bob. The question wants us to find the difference between Kelly and Bob. Okay, so let me write down the information that we have. Okay, so we know that Bob has $24. So who do we not know? Kelly, right? We don't know about Kelly. Let's find out Kelly. So Kelly will be 4 units, which is $24 multiplied by 4, and that will give us $96. So Kelly has $96. So then how do we answer the question? How much more money has Kelly than Bob? When they ask us that, how much more? They're actually asking us for the difference. Okay, so then when they're asking us for difference means what do? We will minus to find the difference, okay? So the difference in the model would be this part. The difference is the part in the model that's sticking out. So you can see the 3 units there, they are the ones that's sticking out, which means that that's the difference. Okay, so what do? We take Kelly minus Bob. Kelly $96, Bob $24. So we subtract, and the difference between them will be $72 over here in the model. Okay, so the answer would be Kelly has $72 more than Bob. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in the next. Happy practicing!